Yes, hi everyone. I'm so excited to be here today. Yes, today is the day that the Lord has made and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. And I thank God for Sundays because they are my best days. These are the days at least I can spend time with my children. I can spend time at home with my husband too, and also make them some fancy things. And yes, so today I'm going to be making pineapple mint juice. And I decided, why not include you? So as I'm going to be making this juice, I'll show you how I make it. And it's so simple, by the way. Instead of getting sodas and all those other things, at least it's a healthy drink and easier and easy to make. And everything is available at home. So yes, so I went to the market and I bought pineapples, and that's how my pineapple looks like. For me, I always say the more the color is popping, the more yellow, the more orange, yes, that's how the sweetness is gonna be. So that's how I ended up getting this pineapple. I make sure the green is lesser than the yellow. In fact, if it can be yellow all around, why not? Yes, I think for me the juicier and the yummier it's gonna be. So there you go. I got my pineapple. I also got mint leaves. As you can see, this is how mint leaves look like. They are very cheap. I think 20 bob, a whole bunch, a big bunch. Of course, you would use all of them. Yes, that's how it looks like. You're going to pluck a few mint leaves. Mint leaves normally taste like toothpaste. That freshness. So just imagine how your juice is going to be. Yes. As we are continuing on, I always say it's good to wash your hands before you do anything. So let me get my hands washed. In fact, I had already washed them, so yes, they are clean because I'd already made another jug of the mint juice, and then I decided, why not include you people? So now I'm gonna be preparing the pineapple. I'll remove the cover. So I don't know, you can't see everything, but I'll be showing you how I've made it. Otherwise, how is your weekend doing? I believe, what have you learned today? I know it's really tricky when there's no church. We get so mixed up when you're at home, you're choosing churches, you're wondering, he church, hey, maze, these lockdowns, they are not a joke, especially for church. You find yourself watching many different churches. Nani ako kama? Yes. So I'm preparing my pineapple, and I'm going to show you how it's looking. So in short, umeenda church gani wewe? Please let me know. Umeenda church gani? Yeah. Okay, these pineapples can make your place messy. So when you're removing the cover for the pineapple, you can always try and clean up. Otherwise, you'll find yourself having a lot of messy stuff around you. So as you can see, this is how yummy and juicy my pineapple looks like. I'm cutting them into small pieces. I'm going to show you they're very tiny small pieces. So what have you learned today in your church? Have you praised? Did you dance? I know it's really limiting, but I believe in dancing and praising. It doesn't matter whether I'm in church or in my house or whatever place I am in. I believe in dancing and praising. Yes, indeed. So mimi dili dance, by the way. Paka nika sweat na nika worship na nika lift hands. It doesn't matter whether church can be anywhere. It doesn't have to be at the building. Church is you, by the way. Yeah. So I'm almost done. So here you go. I want to show you my pineapples. I've already cut them into small pieces. Can you see that? They look so yummy and juicy. Yes. So I'm going to put them in my jug. This jug is not so clean because I had just made another jug of pineapple juice. So there you go. Then I've already cleaned my mint leaves, so I'm going to put a few leaves there inside my blender. Yeah, let me not call it a jug. Yes, you need a blender to blend the juice. So here you go. You can add mint as much as you like, because the taste really is nice when it has the mint leaves. But of course, don't overdo it, because we don't want the juice to look tena nika imekuwa mboga, si ndio? Nika imekuwa supu ya mboga. You also want it to look nice and yummy. So at least this day I can spend my time with my children, my husband. I can make fancy things for them. Yes, it's fun to be at home on Sundays. At least it's a rest day. I think that's enough mint. As you can see, there you go. Yes. So I'm gonna I'll put it in a blender, and you can add some water, clean water, of course. So I'm going to be adding some water there, as you can see. As I told you, I'd already made another jug, so I don't need a lot. Oh, yes. Then you can put some sugar to add to the taste. The taste depends with you. I hope I didn't put a lot of water. Nitengeneze supu ya nini hapa. Okay, I think that's enough sugar. I don't love a lot of sugar, so it depends with your taste. You can add sugar to your taste. And then I'm trying to run away from sodas which have a lot of sugar, so I don't want to put again a lot of sugar. Yeah. So I'm clearing my place, and I'm ready to blend. I'm ready to blend my juice. Yeah, let's see. There you go. You don't have to do it for long, as long as they've all broken down. I think it's good to go. So then after that, you can now sieve it. I have a very big sieve which I had just used it with a spoon to help the juice go into the jug well. So I'm going to take my previous jug that I had sieved some juice before. Yes, it's fun to make your weekend fun, especially mothers out there. Siku hizi mtu anaenda anakaa nje, kuna time ya kukaa na watu, at least and your husband, of course. Yeah, so it's very important that you spend time with your family and make them happy. Yeah, at least we feel present yako, sindio? I know my husband is going to enjoy this juice. He loves this classy stuff. This is classy kind of juice. When you're sieving it, this is how things are being left inside, so you can see. This is how the juice goes. It's going to be yummy. Then after doing all this, it will even be sweeter if you put it in a fridge. When you serve it when it's chilled, it's more tastier. Yeah, so when you finish doing the what, you finish removing those things. There you go. Can you see my juice? Pineapple mint. So here we go. Yeah, have a great Sunday. Mbarikiwe sana. Make sure you listen to many sermons this Sunday. Make sure you pray, spend time with God, and make sure you grow. And also, of course, spend more time with your family. And yani loosen up kidogo, loosen up. At least leo, you loosen up. You can play around, run around, and just enjoy spending time with your family. Otherwise, barikiweni sana. Cheers. Bye-bye.